Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1965 Mustang. This one here is a 289 up under the hood. Power steering, drum brakes on this car. What are you walking around this car, pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Check out maplemotors.com for financing information, shipping. We got to ship a truck here right now. It's actually like the third one that's been here today. And you can see all of our inventory. Just go to maplemotors.com for all of that information. I post videos every single day, so hit that subscribe button and we're gonna get started here. Starting up front, you can tell they've replaced the front bumper at some point in time. It's nice and clean looking. Get down the side, it looks pretty straight. Tires on this car are about 50% tread. Maybe a little less than that. They look good on the sides. Light little scratches on the fender here. Got the cover, which is nice to have. Checking the bottoms of the doors. Thing looks pretty good. A little bit of waviness here in the corner. Not bad. Checking the vinyl top for any kind of bubbles. I do see some popping up underneath this one right here, and here. Looking down everything, there's a little bubble right here too. Sometimes water gets trapped up under these vinyl tops, causes some rust issues. Trim looks pretty good around the windows. I went ahead and opened the hood and the trunk so I'm not fumbling with keys and flipping the camera around during this walk around. Dual exhaust out the back. Back bumper's also been replaced. I'm sure they did that with the front bumper. Got a magnet tag there with a rubber on the back to protect it. Weather stripping looks nice around the trunk. Somebody's already replaced all of it. Got a spare tire with a cover. The mat in here looks a little bit older. Probably just replace that altogether. Trunk looks pretty solid. Baggage tray's in great shape. Let's see how she shuts down. Nice and tight. Coming down the side of the car, it's pretty solid. Little spot in the paint right there. This side got some bubbles up under this vinyl top. Feels pretty good through there. Chip at the bottom of the door here. Looking for any rust. There's a little bubble popping up right there on the fender. Door handle has been replaced. Looks nice and new. Same with the mirrors. All right, let's go ahead and check this interior out. Opening the door up. White interior in this one. Weather stripping looks pretty good around the door. Checking the bottoms of the doors. Does have a little bit of a rip. on the handle here. The seats need to be replaced. You can see they got some rips down in the bottom. That's on both sides too. The passenger as well. Package tray's in good shape. Headliner looks pretty good. It doesn't seem to be all ripped up. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Little game we like to play up here. You can do it from your couch. Carpet's not in bad shape. About the same as the interior. Dash pad looks pretty good. A little wrinkly up here on the top. There's a little hole behind the visor, or a big hole behind the visor. Looks like they're shoving dryer sheets up in there for some reason. All right. Starts up nice and easy. Oil pressure gauge comes up on the dash. Looks like the gas gauge is working as well. Showing 44,000 miles on the dash. Engine temp is coming up. Let's try our blower motor. Yeah, blower motor's working. I can feel it on my legs. Radio, doesn't seem like that's gonna work, but probably have to get a radio for it. Horn, you ready? See if we can get it to work. It's not doing anything. May need a horn put in it. Wipers, let's try them. Wipers work. Good deal. Sounds good. Motor's nice and quiet. Hood shuts down nice and easy. All right, I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front, go to the driver's side, rear, and passenger side. And we'll take off and do this little test drive video that I'm gonna link to the end of this, the last 30 seconds of this video, or you could just type in 1965 Mustang Maple Motors. You can include the stock number to get more precise. All right, let's look up under this car. All right, I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, definitely check out maplemotors.com for financing information, shipping, 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. We try to post videos every single day. Every Monday we update with new cars on our website, so check that every Monday afternoon and you'll be able to see everything that comes in here first. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.